Good morning, Fowlerville. We're in Mr. Hardenbrook's office. I'm wearing his jacket vest. I'm Hannah Kubiak.
And I'm Hannah Brock.
And here are today's announcements.
Please clean out your closets and encourage your family and students to do the same. We are in the midst of our second annual coat drive and looking for donations of coats, hats, mittens, and scarves. This event brought in 500 winter items last year, all of which were donated, and over 200 people in need to shop. We also need vendors or local small businesses interested in selling or advertising at our shopping event on December 10th from 4 to 7 p.m.
Members of the Fowlerville cross-country team traveled to Terre Haute with Indiana to race against runners from 5 other states in the Night Cross Midwest Championship on Sunday. Bridget Parker and Emma Rodell competed in the Girls Open 5,000 meter. Both girls competing in their last high school cross-country race finished in the top half of the open division. Bridget crossed the line in 21:18, 166th place, and Emma finished 279th in 22:34. Ollie Updike was the lone gladiator in the girls' 5,000 meter championship race. Ollie covered the difficult championship course in 2015, placing 224th. Chris Davis and Clay Volk represented the gladiator boys in the boys' 5,000 meter open division. Chris and Clay conquered the challenging course as they raced against over 900 other competitors. Chris Davis crossed the line in 219th place, 17:36, while Clay finished in 485th with a time of 18:30. It was a great season. Thank all cross-country runners and go Glads!
Fowlerville High School students that are not currently participating in a winter sport and are interested in competing in indoor track and field, there will be a brief meeting in the cafeteria on Monday, November 23rd, right after school. The meeting will cover indoor meet schedule, winter running safety and conditioning practices. Any high school girls interested in playing FIVA this winter, please meet in Coach Chaperone's room on Thursday, November 19th at 2:30.
Seniors, please turn in all Yankee Candle orders today. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
End it.